In the Oshkosh area are opening up their gardens to you.
Pauline is checking out the Oshkosh Garden Club's annual garden walk this morning. Hi, Pauline.
Hey guys, I'm at a new stop and there is just something about a waterfall that is just very tranquil. This is the koi pond that's in Steve Holbrook's backyard. So Steve, you said you had a little fun with this.
Yeah, but when we first started it, I had a couple of adult children that thought it was kind of funny that Dad was standing in the mud, so they wound up with the shovels, and this is what I wound up with, which was great because I didn't have to do most of the digging. So.
There you go, family affair, and you've got koi fish in there, and we're making our way through your backyard here. We're coming up to, I'm gonna say, your favorite spot in your backyard. Is that right?
Yes. This is started out as a deck. We added the side rails. The next step after that was to add the roof system, and now it's become kind of like a living room for us.
It's gotta be nice to just hang out here, and when sunset or in the morning.
Yep. In fact, we had breakfast out here this morning. So.
Oh, that's really nice. So you were telling me earlier, this whole thing started when your wife said, "Let's get rid of all the grass," and then this happened in your backyard.
Right. This is where we started, was on the east end of the property.
What's back here? Lots of things.
A little bit of everything. Everything from rhubarb to just flowers, plants. There's a grape arbor. We have a kiwi plant. And then, of course, all our standard flowers, milkweed over next to the garage.
Yeah. So your wife is standing right here. She said to stay out here. I have to pop a question for you. What do you think? Are you done yet or no?
Oh, heavens forbid, no way. I would like to eventually get rid of all the grass.
All the grass. So
Oh, yes.
There's still more to come. So this is one of the stops on the Oshkosh Garden Walk. Here's what the ticket looks like. How nice is that? You can pick it up at any one of the gardens. You've got 6 stops on there. And we've got Leanne and Lynn over here with the garden club. So Leanne, we have a couple of more pictures of some other gardens. What do we have?
Well, I think we're looking at Growing Oshkosh, which is an urban farm, and visitors to Growing Oshkosh will be able to see their greenhouse area and take in all of their organic and sustainable gardening practices. They use no pesticides, they collect their own water, and I think folks will find that very interesting. We're also looking at Lori Beanbender's garden. Now, she's got a little bit larger property, and she's out of town a little ways, but it's definitely worth a drive. Lori is a country girl and has tried to bring a little bit of the farm into her garden, and she's got largely a shady property, so you'll be seeing a number of shade beds. But Lori's also a quilter, and she will have some of her quilts on display during the walk, provided the weather cooperates.
Sounds good. So tickets are required. You just make your way through each stop. All the proceeds go to the garden club. So for more information and a list of all of the locations, head to our website, fox11online.com.
All right, thanks, Pauline. And it's probably nice for some people out there, too. You can get some ideas and everything as well.
Oh, yeah.